Well, thanks for joining me. Definitely an active Saturday morning during the early morning hours and late Friday night. System welled up and offered a lot of rain, hail, even a couple of tornadoes as it initially was forming during that. Then that continued to speed its way across Minnesota and is still working its way across the Great Lakes at this point. And that prompted a whole series of storm reports through the region. Those red dots, those are the ones that are tornadoes, and the blue dots, those are wind damage reports. And just shows you the real power behind all that. The green dots are hail reports in association as well. So yeah, whole bunch of storm reports coming on in. But now, as we look into the course of the evening, nice and clear skies overhead, not even a cloud really to be seen other than fair weather one potentially on the distance. But over these next couple of days, we are going to have actually some fairly decent weather sticking around. We did get a healthy dose of rain with all this, an inch in Watertown when that system did pass on through, but then temperatures proceeded to warm up to 80 degrees today. So definitely a little bit on the cooler side now that we're pulling in some cooler air out of the Canadian region with all that. So basically what we're going to be watching is this cold front continues to slump its way off to the east. A secondary low pressure system with associated cold front does drag down through our region, but this is more a boundary layer shift and doesn't really factor in much precipitation with it. So all in all, we're expected to stay dry as that does progress through. And that high pressure system will be rain dominant on Tuesday. It's not really till Wednesday we get really a better chance for precipitation. So once again, a couple of fair weather clouds sticking their way on through, and that's basically all we're going to be watching for over these next couple of days. Winds as well will also be nice and light, for the most part staying out of the west. Temporarily driving a little bit out of the south, but then here comes that cold front driving through, and that's going to actually pull winds out of the northwest then. Not really influencing temperatures too much, but for the most part will help drop us down just a little bit. So tonight, low of 56 degrees with winds out of the west at 15 to 20 miles an hour. For Sunday, definitely a gorgeous day, 83 degrees, lots of sunshine out there. And then days ahead, we are looking to have staying right around that 80-degree mark on the horizon. A couple of little chances, like I was saying, on Wednesday is the best chance for thunderstorms to work their way on in. Now, these aren't really part of a big system. These are more loose form, daytime heating, wells up, rains out type thunderstorm. But yeah, Wednesday is looking to have the best opportunity for that. All right, I'm meteorologist Connor Askwich with Watertown Weather Watch Forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful remainder of your weekend.